This image looks totally normal, but there's something hidden inside it, and we are about to expose it using digital forensics. We are gonna jump into this folder right now. Think of it like, show me what's inside this folder. Let's extract any hidden text under the surface of this image, 8 characters or more. Think of it, show me what's inside this folder. If there's any text longer than 8 characters hidden inside this image file, extract only the 32 character hexadecimal strings like an MD5 hash.